Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel tea. First, gather your ingredients, including sugar, water, and your preferred tea bags or loose leaf tea. Next, we'll prepare a simple caramel sauce from scratch, ensuring it has the perfect consistency and flavor. Finally, we'll combine the warm caramel with freshly brewed tea, creating a delightful and comforting drink that's perfect for any time of day. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. For the caramel, you'll need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. For the tea itself, prepare 8 ounces of your favorite strong black tea. Additionally, have 1 cup of milk or cream on hand to add a lovely richness to your final caramel tea creation. Now let's make the caramel. In a small saucepan, combine your 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, resisting the urge to stir. Allow it to simmer until it transforms into a beautiful deep amber color, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it reaches this stage, carefully remove it from the heat and slowly stir in your 1 cup of milk or cream until smooth. With your caramel sauce ready, it's time to assemble your delicious tea. Carefully pour the warm caramel sauce directly into your 8 ounces of freshly brewed black tea. Stir gently to ensure the caramel is fully incorporated and evenly distributed throughout the tea. Taste and adjust the sweetness if you like, perhaps adding a little more caramel. Serve your homemade caramel tea immediately and savor every warm, comforting sip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.